Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can increase the font of your Visual Studio. As you can see in this Visual Studio that I have open here, you can see that the text, the code that I have here is quite very tiny. So if you want to increase it, all you just need to do is you go to File, Preferences, Settings. You bring up Settings. Then here you find the font size. All you need to do is to increase the size. Just as you can see, the size is very small here. The code is very small here. So you just go there and increase it. For example, let's say 20. Once you come back there, you see the size has increased. That's just how the way you can increase the size of your font. I hope the video was helpful. If it was, please consider to subscribe to my channel, give me thumbs up, and look out for the next video. Thank you.